You know how people say how we treat ourselves is how we treat other people? And I don't believe that's true at all. In fact, I think we treat other people so much better than ourselves. And so I've been thinking about that as a leader. Hi, I'm Kim Zoller, and welcome to Wednesday's Wirings. Just want you to think about, as you lead, we do lead first with ourselves. And then we do lead other people. And while we might be good outside leaders, there is a huge difference when we take the time to think about leading ourselves. So what does that mean? Tactically, what does it mean? It means, what are the words that you're using about yourself? How are you treating yourself? Are you using words like I, I am angry versus I feel angry? Are you using words like you did a great job, or you were successful at something, or are you picking on the one thing that you're not doing well, or where you could have done better, whether it's for a project or in our lives? And so just something to think about today is, if you were leading yourself, how would you treat yourself? And then do that. And then do that with other people as well. And you will show up as a different type of leader every single day.